Tired of juggling client info between MLS Matrix and Kvcore? Let's streamline your lead management in just a minute and a half. First, navigate to your Kvcore dashboard and click the Add Lead button, usually found on the top right or within the Smart CRM section. Now, this is where your MLS Matrix data comes to life. Open your MLS Matrix client profile and start transferring the information. Begin with the basics: first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Accuracy is key here. In Kvcore, you'll find fields for lead status, source, and assignee. If the Matrix client is a new prospect, set the status accordingly, like new lead for the source. Specify MLS Matrix to track where the lead originated. Next, let's input the client's property preferences in the MLS Matrix profile. Identify their desired location, price range, property type, and number of bedrooms and bathrooms. In Kvcore, use the corresponding fields or the notes section to record these preferences. The more detailed, the better you can tailor your property alerts. Crucial step: document all past communications with this client. Did you show them a property last week? Log it. Use the communication log section in Kvcore to record dates, methods of communication: call, email, text, and key takeaways. This helps you personalize follow-up efforts. Finally, double-check all the entered information for any errors and click the Save button. Your client is now seamlessly integrated into Kvcore. Repeat this process for all your relevant Matrix clients. And that's it. No more scattered data. Just streamlined lead management in Kvcore. This is the key to better organization and more successful client relationships.